Hello, everyone. I'm Lennox Schillereff, the AS president. I take pride in my role to help organize student life events that cultivate relationships. These aren't relationships just within one grade or within one person. It's about the entire Pacifica community and our life together. In our life together, we work hard, play hard, and take risks. This is what Pacifica is about. Through these opportunities we have here, we become known by each other, by our teachers, by our classmates. We form these relationships and encourage the people around us to take part in the community. And with this encouragement, we dive in. 83% of the students take place and they participate in a sport. 65% participate in the arts. 55% are involved in student leadership, which makes up 95% of Pacifica's student body being involved in some way. These are big numbers. We want to take action and make a difference at the school we love. So we take advantage of the opportunities available to us. Now, I have a special place in my heart for the leadership aspect, being the head of Associated Students. And in this, we plan and organize events to make the student life here at Pacifica the best it can be. Within this, we have the Executive Council, which is the smaller group of students that are by my side to help make all the AS ideas come to life. Similar to an internship program, we have the Prefect Board, which gives students the opportunity to work hands-on with all of the faculty leaders here on campus, like the head of school, the principal, the academic dean, and more. Lastly, our school is full of various clubs, meetings, and classes, all offered to truly enhance the leadership ability of the students here. Because all of the students are so involved, each of us has a deep sense of pride for being at Pacifica. We want to represent the school, and we want to do it well. We participate in the events offered each month, and we love it. This starts off in August with First Friday. On the first Friday of school, we come together to celebrate the beginning of our school year. We watch a volleyball game, we get food, we have a bounce house, and my favorite, the dunk tank. And this is not an ordinary dunk tank, this is one the teachers get into. I have definitely seen Mr. O'Neill go down a few times. In September, we go to the all-school retreat, where we get to spend 3 days bonding and forming the deep relationships that Pacifica is known for. Unfortunately, we didn't get to go away this year, but we still spent the days together enjoying Sun and Catalina, having freshman meet and greets, dedication, all-school bonfires, and watching a movie at the beach together. Just this week, color teams competed in our annual TRITON Ball, a dodgeball tournament where we all have fun at lunch together. This year, Orange Team won, but being on green, I definitely think it should have been us. And then in December, we have a week dedicated to Christmas, where before our break, we celebrate CHRISTMIFICA together. We spend the week drinking hot cocoa, having festive Christmas wear, and then we are off. Each year, we have 4 to 5 student-planned dances, where we get to spend the night together and listen to good music. In January, we have WEDGE Week, our annual spirit week where we rally and wear Pacifica gear. This culminates in soccer and basketball games where we go all out and support our school. We're a school of spirit. We are Triton Nation, so we're never lacking in cheering, signs, and the representation of our colors, orange and blue. In March, students get the opportunity to go on a trip and become world travelers together. We've traveled to Italy, France, England, Costa Rica, and so many more amazing places. We finish out the year in June saying goodbye to the seniors at the last walk, where we celebrate them for all that they have accomplished in their years at Pacifica. This year, being a senior, I have the opportunity in taking place in this. All of this is done with joy in mind. Pacifica is a school that provides students with both an esteemed education and memories to last a lifetime. We do this by the side of the faculty and the staff that truly model the way to think and live well, while pursuing the joy that is encouraged at this school. And now, speaking of traditions, one of my favorite traditions is Bring the Rain. So please watch with me this Bring the Rain video.